Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Way, but Mkosi. I am Mzansi. One moment they will be putting you out there, praising you, and also supporting you. The very next moment, I bandla bazokoropa ngawe phansi, ngithi bazomopha ngawe phansi. But Mkosi, Mzansi is mad at how uZinqumalo no Sisi treated uThembi during the launching of iPhone Yaka Honor. So Honor invited different personalities from influencer to actress and singers but to come and promote their new brand of a phone. And then it looks like Bakrupe Usistembi with Usisi and Uzinqumalo. And they too, it looks like they were actually ignoring Uthembi Siete and not showing her any interest at all. They were just talking to themselves only and ignoring her non-stop. And abantu bayibona le ndaba but come this Zinqumalo and Sisi Nenzantoni, why are you ignoring our legend Ndithi EOG? Why are you guys ignoring her? Mzansi was definitely mad but they started dragging Usisi no Zinqumalo, stating that they cannot treat an old legend like that but because Uthembi Siete, she is more than what Uzinqumalo and Sisi are. People were saying different things. I think it's the way they put these two together. It looks like Jagna Mlilo between them, but there is no fire. And also, perhaps they're supposed to have one phone just to keep the energy together because now they have like two phones and Usisi, no Zinqumalo, they are talking while Uthembi is just behind her. And the way nayo uZinqumalo emengayo nje it is off. Why I'm flattelile. Mzansi, the things that you guys can notice and comment bandla ziyabagaza impela. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments and your thought down below. Do you really think Usisi no Zinqumalo they were deliberately ignoring Uthembi Siete, or it was just an innocent mistake? That's it for today. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.